Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, friends, and today we are going to talk about one of the most exciting and powerful smartphones of 2026, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G. This phone is creating massive hype in the market because Infinix has really focused on giving flagship-level features at a budget-friendly price. The Infinix 70 Pro 5G is specially designed for users who want premium design, strong performance, high-quality camera, and long battery life in a single device, without spending too much money. From the first look itself, this phone feels modern, stylish, and very attractive, especially for young users and tech lovers. The design of the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is one of its biggest highlights because it comes with a premium glass back and a slim metallic frame that gives it a very high-end look. When you hold this phone in your hand, it does not feel cheap at all, instead it feels like a flagship smartphone. On the front, you get a large 6.8-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which means everything feels super smooth, whether you are scrolling through social media, watching YouTube videos, or playing games. The colors are vibrant, the brightness is strong, and the viewing angles are excellent, making it perfect for content consumption and entertainment. In terms of performance, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity processor, which is built for speed, efficiency, and 5G connectivity. This phone comes with up to 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, so multitasking becomes very easy. You can open multiple apps at the same time, switch between them smoothly, and there is no lag or slow feeling. For gaming lovers, this phone is a solid choice because you can play heavy games like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, Free Fire, and even Genshin Impact on high settings without major frame drops. The overall performance feels fast, smooth, and reliable for daily use as well as heavy tasks. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is another strong point of the Infinix 70 Pro 5G. It comes with a powerful 108 megapixels AI main camera, which captures very sharp, detailed, and colorful photos. Whether you take pictures in daylight or low light, the results are impressive for this price segment. The AI features automatically adjust the colors, contrast, and brightness to give you better photos without much effort. The front camera is also upgraded and perfect for selfies, video calls, and social media content. You can even record 4K videos, which is great for YouTubers, vloggers, and content creators. Battery life is also very strong on the Infinix 70 Pro 5G because it packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day with heavy usage. You can use social media, gaming, watching videos, and still have enough battery left at the end of the day. And the best part is the 68W fast charging support, which means you can charge your phone very quickly. In just a short time, your phone is ready to go again, which is perfect for users who are always busy and don't like waiting for charging. Overall, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is one of the best budget 5G smartphones of 2026 because it offers a perfect balance of design, performance, camera, and battery. It is ideal for students, gamers, content creators, and even business users who want a reliable and future-proof smartphone. If you are looking for a phone that gives you premium features at an affordable price, then the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is definitely worth considering. This phone truly proves that you don't need to spend a lot of money to get a powerful and stylish smartphone in 2026.